Hi students, now we learn 4th standard social studies subject, lesson 1, Northern Mountains. And the topic is importance of the Himalayas. What is the value and how it is necessary? Answer key of previous session. Name 4 major tourist spots of Himachal range. Answer is 1 Shimla, second is Dalhousie. Second question, name 2 animals which reared by people of this region. Answer is 1 goat, second is sheep. Third, Dash in West Bengal is known for its tea gardens. Answer is Darjeeling. The climate in this region is suitable for the orchards and tea plantation. Okay, let's start today's session. Importance of Himalaya. High mountain ranges and peaks of the Himalayas act as a barrier against the enemies and play an important role in the defense of our country. You know that this is a Himalayan range, and beyond that Himalayan range there is a enemy countries like Pakistan and China. So this Himalaya make a gate or barrier against that our enemy country, and this give us protection. So everybody understand? So this Himalayan range act as a barrier or an obstacle against the enemy country like China and Pakistan. Second is that it also protect our country from the cold winds coming from the Siberia. Do you know Siberia is a part of Russia, and where is the temperature is so much cold, minus degree 0 degree Celsius. The temperature of Siberia is minus 0 degree Celsius. So this mountain stop these cold winds coming from the Siberia. So our temperature is suitable for living us very comfortable. Okay, it is the second function, second importance. So let's see our progress, what we learn. The answer is given already, so you have to tick mark the right option. Tick the correct option here. The meaning of the term Himalaya is abode of snow. So it is absolutely right. The meaning of the term Himalaya is abode of snow. Second, the Himalayan consists of 3 parallel ranges. You know that there are 3 parallel ranges of Himalaya. One is Himadri, second is the middle Himalaya, and third is the lesser Himalaya. So it is also right. Third question, the Wular and the Dal lakes are in the Jammu Kashmir. So that is also correct answer. That is the famous tourist spot. And the last point is that women in Manipur wear a long skirt that is called, what is it called? Can you guess? So that is a false, because women in Manipur, not women in Sikkim, wear a long skirt that is called Baku. That is not in Manipur, that is in Sikkim. Okay, so learn it and understand it. Check out it. Okay, let's see the answer. So it is once again, the meaning of the term Himalaya is the abode of snow. The Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges. The Wular and the Dal lakes are in Jammu Kashmir are also true. And then woman in Manipur wear a long skirt called Baku. It's wrong, because that is woman in Sikkim is there. Okay, check out your answer and write in the textbook. Himalayas prevent the rain-bearing monsoon cloud from skipping northwards beyond India. So this causes the rainfall in entire northern India. So you know that this is a rain that travel toward the North India, like UP, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. There is UP, Bihar. So these winds which has monsoon or cloud, which has clouds, so that can be stopped here due to these Himalayan mountains, and due to that, that is fall rain here. So you can see that the rain is fall on the northern India or the north part of the India because of the mountain. So this is also very important, because if there is a no mountain, so this cloud can be traveled beyond the India. So that will be traveled to the Nepal, China, and other side of the country. But Himalaya stop the clouds of the monsoon. So that's why this caused the rainfall in the entire part of the northern India. I mean, northern part of the India get rain due to the Himalayan mountains. Okay. And another important thing is that you see that there is a dense forest and the altitude at the height of the ground 1500 meter. So it is also because of mountain. Understand? Himalayas. So due to Himalayas, there is a dense forest at a height of 1500 meters. So you can see that this is the mountain. On that mountain also we see the dense forest. So this is because of the Himalaya only. And here in that forest, a rich variety of vegetation and wildlife. Vegetation means different types of plant. Understand? So variety of different types of plants and also wild animals we found in this forest, which are present in the Himalayan region. So this is also importance of Himalaya. So that grow the dense forest at the height of 1500 meter, and in that forest there is a different types of plant and wild animals also present there. And another important thing is that there are three major rivers of India. Understand? So how many major rivers of India that develop or birth from the Himalaya? One is the Ganga, second is the Indus, and third is the Brahmaputra. So these major three rivers are born or generated from the Himalaya, and the tributaries have these rivers make our land fertile, and whatever there are another sub rivers also collect there, and this river make our land fertile. Do you know, if the river flow, so that area or the ground get plenty of water, so that ground can be easily useful for growing different kinds of crops and also for different types of fruit plants. So Himalayan is very important for the birthplace of or origination of Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra rivers. So that is also very important point. So what we learn from this lesson? So we learn that the northern mountain stretch across the northern boundary of India. Yes, from the Jammu and Kashmir till Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, we can see the mountain ranges. The Himalayas have three ranges. One is the Greater Himalayas, that is called Himadri. Second is the Lesser Himalayas, that is Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas, that is called Shivalik. Okay, so these are the three ranges of Himalaya. And the last point is that the Himalayas protect our northern border near the China and Pakistan country. They also protect us from the freezing winds blowing from the north and retain rain bearing winds that cause rainfall throughout the North India. So we said that the freezing winds coming from the Siberia or Russia, it can be stopped due to the mountain, and also the mountain helps to stop the rain monsoon clouds to fall rain in the northern part of the India. So in this way, the mountains or the Himalayas are very important to the India. So this is your learning at home questions. Answer the following. Question 1. Describe the 2 point about the importance of Himalayas. Second, which river make our Indian land fertile? Or name the three rivers that is originated from the Himalayas. Okay, learn it and write it. Thank you.